Hello and welcome to Ndax. In this video, we'll talk about how to make a deposit. We've been having an influx of users that have never been into cryptocurrency before, and they're trying to get in quickly with the market moving, and they want to make a deposit. That issue with deposit is very difficult for Canadian banks to supply APIs, so Ndax and pretty much every other exchange in Canada or broker, they have to rely on some type of automated or manual process to accept a deposit as fast as possible. Now, with Ndax, we have come up with a process that if you follow successfully, we can guarantee that your funds will be in your account within 0 to 30 minutes from the time you send it. So I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily make this deposit and have your funds readily available for you to trade right away. So once you log into Ndax, the first thing you typically see is either a trade page or the dashboard. Now, if you have any money or cryptocurrency in your account, you'll see the approximate value of your total assets over here. Now, to make your first deposit, you can either click on the deposit button over here, or you can go to My Wallet page over here, click on Dollars, then you'll be able to go in, and the first option is Interac e-transfer. Most people like to use that because it works on the weekends or any time of the day, and it truly takes about 0 to 30 minutes for it to work. You will start by entering your name. It's typically pre-filled for you. You will enter the amount that you want to send, and you click Deposit. Once you get to the deposit page, and this is the most important part of the e-transfer, you need to keep this page open. Go to your bank account and click on Interac e-transfer, send to Add Interac Recipient, I'm using RBC in this case, enter the amount you want to e-transfer, then click Next. Then go back to Ndax and copy your name, which is Ndax Payment, then paste it into the name field under Add New Recipient. For email, also go back to Ndax and copy the email address, then paste it here. You can add this new recipient to the payee list for quick sending in the future, then click Next. Then here, where it says Message Optional, this is not really optional. You have to paste a unique message code here. Go back to Ndax, copy the unique message code, then paste it here. Then click Send, and your funds will automatically show in your account. Now, if you go to your transaction history, you will see that I just created a ticket with the status New, and it's the deposit. Now just wait for your bank to send the e-transfer, which typically takes 0 to 30 minutes, and you will have the funds available. You don't need to create a new ticket or contact support because you will receive the funds instantly. If for any reason your bank does not support the auto deposit function, then you will receive it using an email and password. And in order to enter your password, go back in here, go to My Wallet, click Dollars, click Deposit, enter the amount you want to deposit. You'll then see your security question and security answer over here. Make sure you copy that security answer if your bank does not allow auto deposits. Hopefully this was beneficial to you, and good luck trading on Ndax. Have a good day.